Once upon a time, in the deep, endless sky, there lived a little star named Twinkle. Unlike the other stars that sparkled brightly, Twinkle's light was very dim. The big stars would often tease, "You're too small to shine." Twinkle felt sad and lonely, but deep inside, it dreamed of glowing just as brightly as the others. One night, a little lost bird flew up to Twinkle, shivering. "I can't find my way home," the bird chirped softly. Twinkle, with its dim light, was able to illuminate the bird's path. The bird, feeling safe and warm, thanked Twinkle for its guidance. From that moment on, Twinkle realized that its dim light was not a hindrance, but a unique quality that made it special. It was able to help those who needed it most. So, remember, everyone, even the smallest among us, can make a difference. We all have our own unique talents and strengths. Let's embrace them and use them to shine brightly, just like our little star, Twinkle.